Down to the wire. Down to the wire means that a situation is being decided at the very last possible minute, or that the outcome is completely uncertain until the absolute end. Let's look at some example sentences. Traffic was an absolute nightmare, so getting to the airport really came down to the wire. They were just about to close the gate when we ran up. The election went down to the wire because the candidates were neck and neck until the final votes were counted. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. We had to work right until the final minute to finish the school project before the deadline. Finishing the school project went right down to the wire. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.